From the beaches of the earth to the skyscrapers of the world, glass is everywhere. But have you ever wondered how simple sand transforms into something so clear, so strong, and so full of sparkle? Every glass story begins with three simple ingredients: silica sand for structure, soda ash to lower melting temperature, and limestone to stabilize it all. Together, they formed a perfect trio for transformation. Inside furnaces hotter than volcanoes, the mixture melts into a glowing orange river. At over 1,700 degrees Celsius, molecules rearrange, forming a liquid so pure it could last for centuries.
Inside furnaces hotter than volcanoes, the mixture melts into a glowing orange river. At over 7.
This is where science meets precision, the float glass process. By floating molten glass on liquid tin, factories create sheets so smooth, they reflect light like mirrors. The result? Flawless, crystal clear glass ready for shaping. From bottles to windows to fiber optics, shaping happens fast. Robots cut, blow, and mold with laser precision, all before the glass cools to its rock-solid strength. Next comes the cool down, the annealing stage. Glass must relax slowly to remove hidden stress. Too fast, and it shatters. Too slow, and production stalls. Timing is everything. Each sheet undergoes microscopic inspection. Lasers, sensors, and human eyes combine to guarantee perfection, because one scratch or bubble could ruin the shine of a skyscraper window. From the glass in your phone to the windows of tomorrow's cities, it's the same ancient magic, reshaped by modern science. Strong, clear, and endlessly recyclable. And that's how sand becomes sparkle, how science turns nature into wonder. This is the story of glass.
Subscribe to discover more amazing stories behind the products we use every day.